Okay, so once you have logged in to everything that you need to log into, a process that for me took about 2 minutes because I use a very helpful password manager that lets me log in quickly to accounts with strong passwords. You're going to open up your LMS on one monitor, and on the other, you're going to load up your PowerPoint or other course materials. And you can see up on the two display screens, which in an active learning classroom are also duplicated on the other side of the room. On one of the screens, you have your left monitor, and on the other screen, you have your right monitor. So once you have your presentation open and your LMS there as well, you're going to go ahead and launch your Zoom meeting, which, as you can see here, has been using the how-to guides we've provided for you. And I'm just going to start my Zoom meeting. You can check your audio settings if you are concerned about that, but please remember to shut off the Crestron system when you're finished using the room, because doing so will ensure that everything goes back to default. Start your video feed, and remember that active learning classrooms don't need any fancy footwork with the cameras, because these classrooms have two cameras that are tracking your motion built in to the room setup. And this is different from lecture rooms, which have only one camera. Okay, so imagine all of your students have now joined Zoom. You're going to share the screen or window with your materials, as you would typically do. When you share your screen, you want to make sure that you are also sharing sound and optimizing for video. This is just handy if you use any of these features later in the class meeting. After you share, your gallery view might sometimes disappear. This is just an unhappy feature of Zoom. You can recover it by going to More under the Zoom controls and selecting Show Meeting Controls. You can also ensure that your meeting controls never go away and that your gallery view is always on the other monitor if you use the dual monitor setup that we've provided resources for in this training. Make sure that the gallery view is on one monitor and your presentation on the other, so that you can ensure your in-person students can see their Zoom peers and vice versa, but also, of course, so that everyone can see your presentation.